Hello everybody, today we are going to be solving how to save your camera settings for your webcams, Streamlabs, Stream Elements, OBS, anything like that, because I know some people have some issues where they'll fine-tune their camera settings for their C920, and then as soon as they restart the computer or something, they have to do it all over again. And I have two cameras, one for my puppy cam, one for my keyboard cam, and it's annoying having to do that every single time I open up my OBS. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So all you gotta do, go to Google, search up Logitech Capture, and it'll be the first link after that. Then you're gonna want to click on download for Windows 10 64-bit, or pick the one appropriate for you, download it, and it should look like that. That should be the shortcut. Open it up whenever it decides to actually load. Okay, so here we go. We got Logitech Capture open. So all you want to do is open this up, set your webcam to how you want it to be. My camera says it's not available because my OBS is currently on right now, so it's not going to be able to show. But what you want to do is set these to the proper configuration where it looks good. And what you want to do whenever you restart your computer, you are gonna have to open this up first, let it load, and then once it's fully loaded, close it, and then open up your OBS. And your OBS, all those safe settings should go into here, and then yeah, that's it. That's all you gotta do. It's better than having to open every single camera, having to go into the camera, right click, then properties, and you got configure, and then play with all these dials. That's a no-go for me, but the settings in Logitech Capture will be saved. So once again, all you gotta do is configure it first, and every time before you open up your OBS, Streamlabs, OBS, whatever it may be, just open up Logitech Capture first, close it, and then open up your OBS, and that's the only thing you have to do. I know it's not saving the settings completely, but it's better than having to play with all those dials. Anyway, if you guys thought the video was helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have a question. Follow my socials, they're all in the description, and y'all have a good one. Peace.